Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to review the newly launched BoAt Rockerz 330. The one which I ordered is black in color and it's called Blazing Yellow, and these wireless earphones are available in 6 different colors. Let me take out these earphones, and the first thing which I noticed is the black metallic controls. On the side we have the play and the pause button, we have the Type-C port on the side, and on the back we have the volume controls. This remote definitely feels premium. The build quality of the neckband is also of high grade. This is very flexible and can easily fit in pocket. The earphones are magnetic, so you can attach them, giving you that extra safety when you are not using. On full charge, the earphones will give you 30 hours of music, and as per BoAt, one full charge takes 40 minutes. I'm not sure if there is any indication for full charge. Good thing is that these earphones support ASAP charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours of music. Not sure how true it is, and this is something I will definitely check. As shown earlier, the charging here happens through Type-C port, and there is a Type A to Type-C cable that came in the box, and we also got some ear tips. The Bluetooth version supported by these earphones is V5, and the best feature of this earphone is dual pairing. So basically, these earphones can get paired to 2 devices at the same time. But at a time, there will be only one active connection and the other connection will be disabled. So the switching between 2 devices just happens automatically. That's how easy it is. I'm planning to come up with a separate video on this feature. Let me know in comments if you want me to. To turn on the earphones, long press on the play pause button and there is an LED indication which will blink rapidly, and once the connection is successful, the blinking will happen at a very slow rate. Once the charging is going on, the LED indication will turn red. Next great thing about these earphones is they are IPX5 water resistant. It can easily handle the rainwater and sweat, but don't try dipping these in a bucket of water because it is not supported. Now coming to the main part, which is the audio quality. These earphones come with 10mm dynamic drivers, which you can find in every mid-range earphones, and the sound quality is more than decent. I would say it is good, and the bass is enhanced, which is the best part of this earphone. The voice clarity was also decent, but there are other wired earphones with better audio quality at this price range. Overall, I was happy with the sound quality, and given the fact that we have so many features, I did not have much expectations. On comfort level, I will give it a 7 on 10. We have this extra thing attached over the earphones which gives additional grip, and if you feel any discomfort, you can remove these. There is no active noise cancellation, but the passive noise cancellation does a very good job. The BoAt Rockerz comes with a microphone integrated, and its quality is also decent. It's good for taking calls, and here is an audio sample.
Hi guys, the audio which you are hearing now is the audio from the Bluetooth Rockerz 330. And it is good for taking calls.
If you are planning to buy these earphones for gaming, I could see a lot of latency, and it was so much that even while playing simplest of games, I could feel there is a delay of up to 1 second. But while watching movies, I did not face any such problem. So guys, that's all in this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.